Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the fifth or something lesson of our Campfire guitar course, and today we're learning Fire. It's gonna sound like this. I'm driving in my car, turn on the radio, I'm pulling you close, you just say no, you say you don't like it. Girl, I know you're a liar. It's when we kiss on fire. Now, the original has got some other things like fire, and it doesn't have the E minor probably in there. But don't worry about it. This is just a fun way to play and sing it that you can just jam out on the song. Without any complicated changing the strumming pattern, just stays with one strumming pattern and the chords we've been learning so far. Okay, so basically, I'm driving in my... There the song actually starts, and the strumming pattern that we're using for this is the same as for the previous song, except you have another up strum at the end. So you got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, and in my down, down, up, down, up. And for the adventurous people, you can play the riff. And each riff is played twice. So listen, it's 3, 3, 0, 0, 3. But that's not the focus of the song. It's more going to be strumming. But I just want to show it to you quickly. Ding. So you basically play the same thing the first time at the 3rd fret, the second time at the 5th fret with the open strings in between. Alright, so you can download the PDF using the links in the description. And yeah, let's keep going with the song. The verses, we're just going to do the first verse, the second verse is exactly the same. It's just basically G. I'm driving in my down, it's on the radio. And then we go to A minor. I'm pulling you, A minor. Just say no. Say you don't like it. Girl, I know you're a liar. Nice switch there. It's when we kiss fire. What you could do like just a short one on the D. Because we kiss fire. Sorry about that. So that's kind of something you could do there. And then it just carries on. Now the bridge is going to be a little bit more tough. We got an A there, which we can actually going to play an A7 because it sounds a bit nicer in the song. 1, 2, 3. You got a hold in me right from the start. The grip so tight I can tear it apart. No jumped in into like a fool. Kisses they burn, but your heart stays cool. Romeo and Juliet. Basically like that. Now for that C to the A, I'm keeping my middle finger right there. So there's no jumping like it. Oh, sorry, I'm not going from the C to M. And there's no jumping like a fool. But then this middle finger just goes down, and I use these two fingers to play A7. And then you could actually do D7, which is going to be nice. A7, D7. Kisses they burn, but your heart stays cool. Romeo and Juliet. Simpson and Delilah. Down the night. Oh man, it's a really, really good song. Okay, so that's it. Cheers. Bye.